So here, previously we discussed about that you can YouTube getting subscribers based on the views and based on the we can promote by videos. If any kind of promoting your channel for increase your subscribe purpose, you can use option called is communities. That is called you can promote your images. You can generate in for your channel subscriber also. That is called YouTube communities. Here, once coming to your YouTube community, the option call is select here. Here we are showing for three options: promote images and create polls and promote your videos. Once click this option, you can see what is called add an image, search your image, select the image here. So just training. Next, select your content with a link. Now click for post. So yeah, we can promoting for images, content and with the link option. Automatically, they see image, they click for our YouTube channel link. Here, the total promoting images on where YouTube channel. So that is called we can using for where the image promoting for YouTube channel, the channel promoting for that image for user, find out for total content part. When enabled for your YouTube community option, we can promote images on using YouTube channel. That is called user connectivity purpose. For generating leads using for YouTube community option, the option called is YouTube images from using for YouTube community